Omaka Rocks here with Cinema Magic, Goodfellas TV, and of course, Movie SOS, where I give you a to-the-point synopsis of whether you should see a movie or screw it, because it's not worth your time. So today we got through watching Pain and Gain, starring Mark Wahlberg, Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson, Anthony Mackie. So this movie is about these three bodybuilders, kind of hard up on some money, may not be too bright. And so they come up with this scheme to extort and then also kidnap. And it kind of doesn't go exactly how they were hoping because they're not too bright. I'm going to be honest with you, man. It says on the thing that the movie's almost 2 hours. But when you're there, man, it feels like 5. This is the longest movie that's really not that long. This needed editing, serious editing. And sometimes it's just going in different areas. I actually looked online about the true story, because this is based on a true story of apparent dumbasses. But I looked online, and I actually looked at the real story. And, based on a true story is not always going to be exactly what it is. But gosh, I think that if they put the real story in it, that maybe it would have been a little bit better. Or if they edit a lot of it down. But the thing is, it's kind of, and it's not even long. It bores you. And you wish you weren't there. So, and I really love all 3 of those actors. I really, really love all 3 of them. But this, not one you want to say you were in. Anyway, so when it comes to my review, screw it. Don't want to save your $10. Watch it when it comes on Redbox or something, because then maybe, because it's $1, it'll be worth $1, but not 10. So make sure you check me out on your local listings for Cinema Magic. It's like your local TV or cable, and look up Cinema Magic. You can see my show. And don't forget to go to this website, moviesos.net. You can see these reviews and so much more. Okay, now I'm gonna go. You go watch a movie. We'll chat it up later.